It's a beautiful morning in Costa Rica, Montezuma this morning. Just woke up. Dawn's eating breakfast. I'm gonna eat breakfast in a bit. It's only like 6 a.m. so we gotta go to the ferry for 12, so we're gonna leave here around 10 just to make sure we're there early enough. As you can see, beautiful sunshine. There's hummingbirds and the flowers over there. Yeah, so we're just hanging out, and then around 10 o'clock we'll take off, do another drive through the mountains to get to the ferry, and then we'll catch you up on what the ferry process is once we get there and show you some views off of the boat. Just thought I'd come out here and show you the beautiful sunshine that's happening this morning. Hopefully we see some howler monkeys when we go down to the bottom, but I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, catch you later. Well, just going out by myself this morning to go down to the beach. It's a beautiful sunny morning here, so I'm just gonna head out to the beach and go see if I can see some howler monkeys beside the road or whatever. And I'm pretty much all packed up, so when I go back I'll just make sure everything's good, and then we'll head to the ferry. Maybe stop at Cocalito Beach quickly if we leave early enough, and if not, then we saw it from the boat, but it would be kind of cool to do a little bit of drone footage there, so we'll see what happens. But for now, this is what I got going on here. A little bit of a rough, steep road, as you'll see here in a second. Oh. Let me turn the front on. I don't know if you'll be able to see just how steep this road is. That isn't even the steepest part, mind you. And yeah. I'm gonna get a beautiful view of the ocean right here. Oh, car's coming. As you can see, there's the ocean right there, and still making my way down. This is the road from our Air Bnb down into Montezuma. They got a cool hanging bridge thing here to go into somewhere. But look at how steep this road is. Oh my goodness. I know the video never does it justice. Oh yeah, it just looks flat, of course. But figured I'd give you guys a little preview of what the roads are kind of like here in Montezuma. Look at this. I wish you could just see just how steep this road is. The SUV struggles to get up here. You can hear the waterfall, the first waterfall that my mom and I hiked to, and we made it to the bottom. So that way is Montezuma. We're gonna go this way. Beautiful sunny morning. I just gotta go out and enjoy it. Alright, I'll catch you once I get to the beach. I hear the monkeys. I don't know where they are though. Look at this beautiful river. Gonna see if I can find the monkeys. Just taking a walk in the beautiful river. Trying to see if I can see the... there they are! See, I'm walking. Look at them all. That is so cool. Such a beautiful river. Oh, wow. So lucky to see them. You can see I'm in the middle of the river. And just up there, howler monkeys. They're so amazing. Wow, they're right above my head. So cool. I'm so happy. Just surrounded by beautiful nature and howler monkeys. Perfection this morning. It's exactly what I wanted. Look at them. That was a beautiful stop at that river. Now I'm just gonna head back to the Air Bnb, see what time the other guys want to go, and then we'll start making our way to the ferry. Can't believe I saw the monkeys. Wish I would have had my bathing suit on. I would have definitely laid down in that river. It was beautiful. But hey, lesson learned. Always wear a bathing suit just in case. But yep, next time I guess. Now I'm just heading back down. We're trying to dry out the stuff on the dash here. Now I'm just passing this beautiful beach area where people are surfing. And then, yep.
It's on. Are you wanting to
Alright, we're leaving Montezuma. We're heading to, hopefully Cocalito first. Holy crap. Forgot about this. Hopefully Cocalito first and then to the ferry, but we'll see how much time we have. Well, we're out of here. Bye-bye, Montezuma. Hello, Jaco.
Took my shorts out, all I can see is a red glare.
Stick it out the window.
What you were...
All right, we made it to the entrance point of Cocalito. Just parked over there. You see waterfall cascada here. So now we're just gonna go up and around, see what we can see. Left all our stuff in the car though, even though they say not to, because we kind of have no choice. So I'm gonna try to be quick about this. Apparently there's break-ins here, so I don't want that to happen. We're just making our way up here, and then we'll be heading on to the ferry. Saw a capuchin on the way, which was super cool. Let's see what this is about. All right, I think we're almost there. I can hear the ocean.
Your mother trying to keep her teeth clean.
I guess that's the way to the beach down there?
I don't know.
Oh, cool. El Charro waterfall. One of two that goes into the ocean in Costa Rica. Woo! Oh, wow. Holy crumb. Well, that was absolutely stunning. Now we're gonna head back to the car and go catch the ferry. Yeah.
Or a parking lot?
Well, coming in. Well, we made it to the ferry zone. Just gotta figure out where we're going, and then we'll get there.
In that line right there.
Those guys are all parked.
No, but see on the other side of the light post, they got the dump truck and the cars over there. There's somebody guiding right there.
Ferry. All right, here we go.
Vamos a ir allá de fondo, a pura esquina de fondo, ¿ya?
Okay.
¿Ya?
So,
In the other.
do you need me to back up or go forward?
Back there, back in this place,
Oh, okay. Gracias. Cool. Back?
One more. Ready.
Okay.
Perfect.
Alrighty. I am in. That was a little bit of a fiasco, but I'm in. So let's grab some stuff and then let's go up top. Okay, I got everything. Everything's locked. I'm heading out now. Going out. Well, I found everybody, showed you a little bit. I'll head up top and show you that after. Now we're just on the ferry, waiting to go. I want to go at the front. Well, we are waiting for our turn to get off the ferry. I'm probably in position to be off literally last, but it's okay. Pura vida, we're just waiting. As you can see, we're literally in the corner of the boat. It was quite the fiasco for me to get in here, as you probably seen, because I had it recording, but I put it down. So you probably heard everything. Not necessarily seeing it, but as you can see, everybody's still chilling. We're below deck, not above, so we just gotta wait for everybody above to leave, and then everybody in front to leave. So show you that whenever we're getting off. And then we're on our way to the Crocodile Bridge, and then to Jaco. All right. I know, it's like he's embarrassed or something.
I'm not embarrassed.
Don, he hates filming.
No, I just meant let him go thing.
No, but when I asked him, he's like, ugh.
Maybe start about
Taking me out for the last picture.
Todas las personas que viajen con vehículos deben presentar las respectivas licencias para la Costa Rica. No incluye el conductor.
The private vehicle does not include the driver.
Yeah, that's fine. There's no damage going to be done because those mirrors all just.
They might not see it again.
Well, we got some ice cream, and then we're just gonna go check out the Crocodile Bridge, and then we're gonna head to the resort. Everybody's enjoying their stuff. Yeah. Well, we made it to the Crocodile Bridge. What's different than last time? None of this was here last time we were here. Hopefully we'll be able to see something, but I guess we'll figure it out. River is very high right now, so I don't know if they're even here, but we'll see. We're about to find out.
Can you see him? Oh yeah, there he is, right at the end.
Holy shit.
Sand over there?
Do you see that thing that looks like a log? That's a crocodile.
Oh my god, can't wait.
He's huge.
Oh boy. Where's that? See the red the
Yeah.
Coke bottle on the right.
Right at the red of
Okay, see the bottle? The red bottle?
the red bottle.
On the right side. That's a great thing. Come in, come in.
Oh, I see them.
You see already? Alright.
Usually I'm really good at spotting them.
Between these logs, you see a red bottle there?
Oh, look at him. I see him now. He's so
ready?
cute. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So there's food over there that the birds want?
In front of the crocodile, there's a little brown thing that looks like an egg. I don't know what it is.
Oh, okay. And you figure that's what they want?
I have no idea.
So what do you think of the crocs, Mom?
Oh. The only time I ever seen one of those, it was in a cage, like in a...
There's a 16-foot one at the end. I took a picture. It's kind of blurry, but I'll show that. They grow to about 21 feet here. And they got all sorts of shops around, and there's the tourist police hanging about, so you don't need to worry about your stuff. Pretty neat little area. Love it. We're done at the Crocodile Bridge. We only have half an hour till check-in, so we're gonna make our way to the resort for the night and hop in the pool. Heck yeah. We're here, Los Sueños.
You have a small group that came in, so it'll be...
It's okay. We made it inside, got valet parking, and he's gonna help us to our room. Amazing! Can you get in? We're all in, just bringing, whoop, the door. We're all in, just first look at our room here. Typical hotel looking room, but in a resort. Even got a little couch here. Look at the beautiful grounds. A little bit flooded in the grass, but that's all right. Wow, so let's get situated and let's go and explore the place. Yeah.
Good bathroom.
I forgot to check out the bathroom. Oh, yep, that's nice. Dig it. Really nice.
And look at
Sweet.
that. Look at that.
We got a hanging mirror.
And it goes all the way, so you can sit down in there.
We're all suited up in our bathing suits. We're all good to go. We're gonna go check out the grounds. Dawn's got the key.
$8.16 a shirt.
$8.16 a jogging set. Yeah, that's why you don't do laundry here.
What?
That's why you don't.
$8.
You can ask them if they have a can opener.
This
the restaurant. Is it raining?
No. Arena Blanco.
Wow, this is beautiful. So look at, they got the wine bar. That's nice in there. What was that? I just saw something run. Oh, really?
What's this?
Robbie's on the loose in the resort. Beautiful flowers. And that's our room right down over there. So what do you think, babe?
I approve.
Well, for once, you didn't say something negative.
Well, it's still a waste of time.
We got like a day bed here. We got volleyball in the pool there. Another day bed over here. Pretty cool so far. Now I'm just gonna go check out the beach before I go in the pool. You can get in anywhere and just walk the entire pool. That's super cool. Oh, look at the lighthouse, Mom.
Oh, yeah.
And here's the starting of the beach area. I guess they have another restaurant over there. Outdoor shower right here before you go from the beach to the pool. And they even got, look at that, sunscreen. That's pretty cool. So what do you think, Mom? Oh, she's too busy videoing. I'll ask her after. So now we're just gonna head down to the beach over here. How is the sand on the feet?
Crunchy.
Not nice?
Soft, not too soft, but nice.
No. And I'll show you the beach once we get there. It's just over here, but I'll show you once we get closer. Got the beautiful mountainside here. Yeah, this is paradise. And then they got the marina over there. Alright, well that's a look at the resort. I'm sure there's more to see. If I manage to capture that, if we go kayaking or whatever, I'll get that. But they got a bunch of activities that are free as part of the resort. Most of them, actually all of them are free. We wanted to do the iguana tour tomorrow, but Turns out it's full, so we're gonna call tomorrow morning and see if they have any available spots. Other than that, let's go enjoy the pool. We're gonna go over there for the towel. Woo! I guess we can get some bikes. Look at, they got the little kiddie grounds here. That's cute.
Take off my spray on Dan,
Our first experience with the pool, how is it?
It's nice. Very nice. That on?
Hey babe,
You put all that on?
you coming in?
No.
I was gonna get you to step in with me.
Oh.
I'm doing it.
Perfect, Brad. Length. You can step in but not drown. Good, good. Beauty. Perfect temperature. Fantastic. We're gonna take a little walk around the pool. Look at that. Excellent. Oh, she's already taken off. Perfection. There's Mom taking off over there. It goes all the way around. Oh, she's pumped now.
Yeah, she's loving it.
Now you find your mom a rich boyfriend up here.
It ends over here.
You just find your mom a rich boyfriend up here, we'll be fine.
It just ends up here, but that's why? What's that? Why, Brad?
Well, then she can stay. Okay, I'm almost done my lap.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna enjoy the pool. Gonna go put this thing away and spend some quality time together. Pretty cool nighttime. Pretty cool at night. Food here is like stupid expensive, so it's not an all-inclusive, so keep that in mind if you ever come here. And I think we'll just be eating whatever we have in the room tonight, because holy crap. Cheers. Pretty much we got the whole pool to ourselves. The whole thing. Pretty much almost the whole resort to ourselves, actually. I've left my gear there. Okay. Hold on.